fellows, the pyare fellows. New, fresh feelings every day. Over to you, Anju ma'am.
2 things that are required to become a cabin crew.
Sudhi sir.
Are you ready for the latest news and update? Vipin, I also look forward to your motivational session.
So today we're going to talk about success.
Small story for all of you. I hope that you all learn. So let's see the program today. पॉजिटिव अफर्मेशंस अपने आप को देते रहने चाहिए. I am good, I am beautiful, I am confident.
There is a beautiful, beautiful life waiting for you ahead. Once you become a cabin crew, you can't even imagine. 12 basic key factors. The first and the foremost in that is to stay well groomed. The second thing is introduction. My name is so and so. My father is a business. Change that. Third thing is how to show your communication skills. Learn the terminology of aviation industry.
I wish I was of your age. Even I want to become a cabin crew.
I want to become one again.
It was a great session, ma'am. Thank you once again.
And it was awesome session, Anju. Very nice. Latest news and update at Maharashtra government has issued an order. Delhi, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Goa, they need to get their COVID test done. Emirates is the safest airlines to fly with travel score of 4.4. India has established an air bubble agreement with 21 countries. So if you recollect, on the 17th October, India had an agreement with 17 countries and now it is 21. So all these will now be accepting online application for visa, OCI, passport. Hotel occupancies improves by 26% in September. Radisson launches new brand Radisson Individual. Marriott unveils Courtyard by Marriott Nasik. We want you, if you do not understand anything, please ask us the question. That is the reason. Most welcome to ask me anytime.
Hello sir. Nahin sir, it's okay. जैसी मैं यहाँ पे I'm like, hi everyone. So this shows that all of you bring so much of energy in me, guys.
Today we're going to talk about success. It doesn't come so easily because success is all about the hard work. I'm gonna share 2 very interesting stories with you. So the first story is about giraffe giving a birth to a baby giraffe. So mother giraffe उसके ऊपर खड़ी हो जाती है, उसको धड़ाक करके एक जोर से लात मारती है. He must know how to save himself and how to run. जिंदगी में हमें बहुत लातें पड़ती है, but are we taking that? And there was a king दूसरे कंट्री से आया और उसको 2 बहुत अच्छे falcon गिफ्ट में देके गया. But the other falcon is sitting on that tree. Get some other experts. वो फैल्कन वहीं बैठा रहा, वो नहीं उठा. तो मिनिस्टर जिसको लेके आया वो एक छोटा सा किसान था. उसने बोला मैंने कुछ नहीं किया है, मैंने वो पेड़ की टहनी तोड़ दी जहाँ पे वो बैठा हुआ था. तो वो जैसे ही नीचे गिर रहा था उसने उड़ना शुरू कर दिया. We are also all created to fly and to do something better in our life. But are we using our potential to do the best?
Success is just outside your comfort zone, and that is exactly what Vipin is saying. The moment we are ready to even take a one step out of our comfort zone.
The people who teach you, your faculty, your teachers, everybody is what are trying to do the best for you. They want you to run. They want you to do best in your life.
This is for the Diwali cards which the students had prepared. First card that we have selected. So Deepa from AHM1.
What is the best takeaway?
Ma'am, the motivation we got from Vipin sir.
Especially for Anju ma'am, and it was a great session.
Vipin sir always inspire me. I mean, motivational stories and all thoughts.
So Deepa, I hope your query has been solved.
Darbhanga airport already started in month August, but no any hiring procedure, ma'am.
Hiring procedure is a very different, starting of the airport.
Every inner circle meet we have one more new learning. Thank you to all the students.
You all keep us going. So thank you so much.